How to review filtered comments on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there, and now in the settings and privacy page you will see the option for privacy under the account tab. So tap on the privacy option there, and now go ahead and tap on the comments option under the interactions tab. Here you will see the option for review filtered comments. So tap on that, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all your filtered comments. For me, I do not have any filtered comments as of now. However, you will be able to see all your filtered comments in here and review them accordingly. So this is how you can review filtered comments on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.